Welcome to Daily Dose of History. Let's jump and uncover the significance of events that unfolded on this very date.
The historic moment, signing of United States Declaration of Independence by Second Continental Congress.
This event marked the formal declaration of the American colonies' independence from Great Britain and laid the foundation for the establishment of a new nation, the United States. It was a pivotal moment in history that sparked the American Revolutionary War and set the course for the formation of a democratic republic.
Adolf Hitler declares himself Führer, a historic moment in German history.
This event marked the consolidation of power by Hitler and the Nazi Party, leading to the establishment of a totalitarian regime and the beginning of Nazi Germany's aggressive expansionist policies. It had significant consequences for World War II and the Holocaust.
PT-109, John F. Kennedy's famous World War II torpedo boat sinking in the Solomon Islands.
The sinking of PT-109 was a significant event as it marked John F. Kennedy's heroic actions during the war and later became a key part of his political narrative during his presidential campaign. Additionally, Kennedy's survival and leadership skills demonstrated under difficult circumstances played a role in shaping his future role as the President of the United States.
Tragedy strikes. I-35 West Bridge collapse in Minneapolis leaves 13 dead, 145 injured.
The collapse of the I-35 West Mississippi River Bridge was a significant event due to the loss of lives and injuries it caused, highlighting the importance of infrastructure safety and maintenance. It led to increased efforts in inspecting and repairing bridges across the United States to prevent similar disasters in the future.
Deadly mass shooting at El Paso Walmart, 23 killed, 23 injured.
The 2019 shooting in El Paso, Texas, was a tragic event that resulted in numerous lives lost and many others injured, highlighting the ongoing issue of gun violence in the United States. The incident prompted renewed debates and calls for stricter gun control measures to prevent such atrocities in the future. These are some of the most notable events that occurred today in history. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. There will be a new video every day.